didn't believe in anything until I put my faith in you. Is it the same? Is it a crime to worship somebody of the time in time? I will do anything for you. I found my heaven right here with you. Believe in me forever, believe in you. Not just on Sunday, I love you every day, and I fall to my knees every night. I pray that you come and save me for all eternity, in the name of the Father and the Son. You are my religion. I was not looking for a miracle. I didn't think that love was possible, but your love has made me